Hello all, welcome to Jyotishi.com. The Shore Temple of Mahabalipuram is a popular tourist attraction. It has both religious and archaeological significance and is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1984. This temple is located in picturesque surroundings on the seashore near Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Its name, Shore Temple, is obviously because it sits on the seashore. The group of monuments here are a testimony to the artistic and architectural skills of the Pallavas. They showcase the different types of design that were prevalent at that time. The carvings also depict many stories and scenes from Hindu mythology as well. The Shore Temple is located in Mahabalipuram, that was a very important and busy seaport in the times of the Pallavas. Mahabalipuram flourished as a center of culture and the arts during the reign of the king Mahendravarman, as he was a poet, playwright and speaker. He patronized the arts and the creation of many of the monuments and landmarks of the city. The subsequent Pallava kings also continued the same. Marco Polo and other ancient explorers mention it in the records, but most of the ancient material that refers to the place call it the land of the 7 pagodas. Pagoda might refer to the temple spire. Today, there is only one big spire, and early investigations had pointed to the existence of more structures under the sea. The tsunami of 2004 that caused the waters to briefly recede revealed more monuments and structures. There are some interesting facts of this place. It took a period of 200 years to plan the entire site. Most of the structures are carved out of single pieces of rock, but the Shore Temple is made out of one cut rock. The Shore Temple is in the Dravidian style that looked to the European traveller like pagodas. The style of the rathas is different from the Shore Temple. They are in the Buddhist viharas and Chaitya style. The main temple has an inner sanctum that has a Shiv Linga. The Linga is a Dhara Linga that has 16 faces. There are other shrines that are dedicated to Vishnu, who is a reclining form, and a sculpture of Durga on a lion that is also present. The smaller Shiva temple has 2 carved panels that depict the one-legged or Ekapada form of Shiva, and the second has a Nagaraja. The drive to Mahabalipuram from Chennai, as well as the scenic beauty of the area, is another attraction for visitors. The beaches and the vegetation make for a beautiful and soothing getaway or a day trip from Chennai. So do visit the Shore Temple at Mahabalipuram on your visit to Chennai. Hope you liked the video. Do like and subscribe and stay tuned for more temple histories from Jyotishi.com.